it is your girl NJLoves, and I'm here today with a whole new video for you. I know I have not been very consistent, so I do apologize, but I appreciate each and every one of you for watching this video. If you're a newbie, welcome. And if you are a return subscriber, oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So without further ado, I'm going to jump straight in. I'm going to be showing you how I have this set up. I absolutely love this planner. It is amazing. And also, just so we don't get things twisted, I'm still using my pocket mulberry agenda. I love this too. I mean, equally, they offer different things to me, and I'm just... this is so adorable, honestly. Like, I'm so freaking glad I've got this as well. So I highly recommend this, but I also do completely vouch. You already know, this is the like Dawn, okay? This is the Dawn, this is the baby. I mean, anywho, I'm going to show you how I have things set up. So if planners, stickers, stationery, all of that good stuff, something you're into, keep on watching. There are so many amazing shops that are going to be featured, that I'm going to be telling you, showing you their supplies. Check them out. I'll also include my Stackry link. I have no sponsorship with Stackry, but I am literally sharing because since discovering this shipping method of getting supplies from the USA to me here in the UK, I want to share that with you. I believe you get $10 off your first shipment, and I also get some discount as well, or some money towards my shipping costs. So we're all helping each other, okay? Sharing is caring. So anyway, guys, let me jump in and show you how I have things set up. Okay, so as I open up the planner, on the left hand side I have my pocket layered to capacity. Like, I have a lot going on, but I really like it because it's like a neutral tones. It's very calming for me when I open this planner. So I'll try not to waffle too much, but over here I have this card from Noted, which was a freebie with one of my orders. This was also gifted or freebie when I bought my CGG London planner, which... I mean, check out that video. But yes, this was a freebie. The pretty poor service that I had. So I'm definitely not going to be selling to you to go and get their planners. If you want to, do it, but at your own risk. But anyways, these are in the back pocket. I have nothing in here. This is completely empty. And I've clipped using my SessaVee clip the aesthetic card from Infinite Lotus. This is from my girl Josie. I absolutely am a massive fan of SaltyTwentyTwo. She is original. She is, I think, the one who has brought the etched work to us. Before SaltyTwentyTwo did this, I don't believe anyone else was. So any of this etched work comes from her, and I'm definitely a fan. She's a UK shop as well. Come on, UK, stand up, love it. And her thing is definitely this flower, and yeah, I really like her stuff. So this was also a freebie from one of my orders. I have the Ollie block clip from Cloth and Paper, which is holding the hustle card down, which is a little bit scratched actually. Oh, I need to be careful with that. But this is from Noted as well, as is this card here, which I haven't filled out, but it's adding some deco to this front pocket here. So that is the setup on the left hand side of the planner. If we move over here, we just have like, oh, just so many vibes, So I'm using the SessaVee monthly card for May in this lovely neutral color. So I got this as a set, so I have the other months. I've got it attached to the Cloth and Paper glass inbox dashboard, and I really am a fan of the glass dashboards from Cloth and Paper. So unique and just amazing quality, really good. So love that. At the back I have from one of my BunnyPlans orders this note journaling card, so I thought that was quite cool to be there. Okay, so SaltyTwentyTwo is featuring again right here. This dashboard is everything. It's giving me tropical vibes. It's giving me Dior chic, and it is just really, really pretty. It's on a vellum. You get two pieces that you can layer together, but I've spread the two pieces throughout the planner. So one piece is here and you'll see the other one in a second. But I just think this is really, really pretty, and it's just very unique. So very nice, great quality. This jelly dashboard is from Catspressoco, and this was something that I'd had my eye on for a while, but due to shipping problems before I discovered Stackry, I wasn't able to get this, but now I have, and it's in my possession. It's really amazing quality. It holds the journaling cards. I don't know if you're anything like me, but I know that when I get these journaling cards, I love them, and then I'm like, how can I use them? Where am I going to put them? Having something like this dashboard will enable you to actually put them in your planner and make use of them, because there's some really pretty designs out there. So really quickly, this is from QueenCityDesignsCo. Love this. This is also a freebie from QueenCityDesignsCo. This is from MomsPlanXO. Shout out to her. Love her journaling cards. She has some really, really cool ones on her Etsy shop, so check those out. And this is a cloth and paper freebie, which I also really, really like. So, and again, I'll just show you these here. I believe I've already mentioned these shops. So again, Queen City Designs. This is from Peige. This is also Queen City Designs, and this is a freebie from MomsPlanXO. So in my planner, I have switched out the dividers. I did have the cloth and paper glass dividers, but now I'm using SaltyTwentyTwos, and I really, really like these. They're very slim, they're very stylish, and you get 8 of them. So I had initially struggled on what 8 tabs and how I was going to name them. Josie was amazing, and she gave me a lot of ideas, and also just was very patient with me. I mean, I don't know how I would deal with me as a customer, but she was great. So thank you, Josie, for helping with that. I've labeled mine, and I'll show you in case you're anything like me and struggle. I labeled mine inbox, agenda, plan, get shit done, track, write it down, dream, and money matters, I believe, is at the back. Yeah, money matters. So yeah, I really like these. I have my aesthetic dashboard from Infinite Lotus, another very popular dashboard. I can't recall where I got this bit of kind of plastic from, but inside I have put my noted custom dashboard. Here's a freebie from EO Edits, really like it. This here is from SaltyTwentyTwo, and it is a very, very nice journaling card. It's like cardstock, very thick. So it's plain at the front. I plan to put a sticky note on here that I'm waiting to arrive. So when that does, I'll use this to kind of as a mini inbox. But I really like the floral design at the back, which is very pretty. This is the magazine cover from Cloth and Paper with their sticky notes also attached. Love that. Again, I have another one of the Catspressoco dashboards. This is a side loading pocket, and if I'm honest with you, I think the top loading one that I have over here is a bit better, because as you may have just seen there, the cards can move around in this. So yeah, but I'll just show you this. This is a freebie from SaltyTwentyTwo. This is also SaltyTwentyTwo. This is noted. This is MomsPlans. This is like a coffee card, and I've laid it on top of the SaltyTwentyTwo I'm the Energy journaling card. And then we have the same shops pretty much at the back here. Apart from this is from Sequins and Paper. So this is the other dashboard from SaltyTwentyTwo that I mentioned to you. So the second part of that purchase. Also SaltyTwentyTwo. This is her inbox. This is the inbox dashboard, which is also really unique, very pretty. I don't know how many inbox dashboards I have, but I have a few, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. I mean, yeah, it's a problem. But yeah, so I have that. This is my noted dashboard. I really like this. The material is beautiful. It's like a very smooth, buttery paper or cardstock, and I haven't come across anything as smooth as the dashboards that she offers. So this dashboard here is from NoteToSelf, and I really like this. It's the manifestation action list, and I just think aesthetically it is very pleasing. I've cropped the corners so that they're curved, and I just really like this. And this is also from NoteToSelf. Cloth and paper dashboard and some vellum. And then it goes into my agenda section. I have so much deco, like probably a lot of other people. There's just so many great creations out there. This one as well, richly noted. I'm a massive fan. You need to check her out. She has some really also unique, very stylish dashboards. So check her out on Etsy, richly noted. And this is the Ambitious Woman printable that I printed on some acetate. This is from Crescent Planner, and it was, I think, an A5 piece of paper with these designs, and I just cut it down to size. So really like this as well. So I actually have from January in my planner, I think January through to June. So I know I haven't done a plan with me for May, so just flipping through will hopefully give you guys a little feel of how my May planning is going when I get to it. So I know I've definitely been a little bit behind, but the April one ended up looking like this. I really like it. And so far for May, it's looking like this so far. Okay, so you haven't missed too much. I haven't added the deco one. I haven't really had too much time to plan, if I'm honest with you. So yeah. Okay, so I have my cloth and paper weeklies. Love these. I hope the design doesn't change too much for next year because I'm really enjoying how things look. I have the Ola dashboard from HolaDearPaper. Again, another really nice shop, really unique. This is amazing quality. It's such a thick material, and I really like it. Paige, I've definitely featured quite a few times in my other videos, and I'm a fan. She's a UK shop, and I love her dashboards and her neutral stickers. They're very nice. So I'm in the plan section, and I've got my SaltyTwentyTwo dashboard. This again, very unique, Josie. Loving this foiled detail here, and the floral print is just so pretty. So I have a weekly undated section here that these are from cloth and paper. I really like this design as well. So I have this in my pocket planner. I'll show you. So if I get to the weekly section. See, I've followed the same layout, can you see? But yeah, so I really like how this has been working. So whilst I've used it in this pocket size, I haven't yet used it in the A5, but I will. I really like the functionality of it. So yeah. So I have a few sheets of those. Then I have a meal planner. This is also cloth and paper. I believe it's like the old one. Then I have this dashboard here from MariaPlans. It's a freebie printable that I've used some textured paper to print on. Okay, so I do also have here my minimal planner, the sticker swatches insert, which is a great idea because we end up having so many stickers and then we get more and we forget what we have. So having something like this definitely helps. I've only done Paige's shop so far, so I have a lot more work to do. It's being held together with the LucyPlansLife paperclip. How adorable is this? Look at this. This little felt ball is just so cute. So yeah, I'm using that there. In the Get Shit Done section, I have my cleaning checklist, which I plan on using a transparent sticky note over the section so that I can tick them off. I mentioned I haven't really had the time to plan, so unfortunately this section has just been left. My tracking section though is I am doing a lot better in. So I have the intentional freebie from my Modern and Minimal Co. DoveNoteCo, love this. I have more to print from this bundle. And I'm using PaperTessDesigns trackable monthly tracker, and I'm tracking moods and self-care and also no spend. So this is how that is looking so far. Another one of the DoveNoteCo dashboards. I really love those floral designs. I have the write it down section with my brain dump from Noted. Love these. I actually need to get some more. EO Edits NoteToSelf. This here, this kind of abstract vellum, I found the image on, I think I found the image on Etsy, so I paid for the art and then I just printed it on vellum and it came out really well. So I've just got some note paper from Cloth and Paper. Love the quality of their paper. Noted dashboard. This is really good as well. And then I've just got like some blank paper at the back until I get to my Money Matters, which is the finance section, and I will not be sharing that with you. But in the Money Matters, I track online orders and also just budgets and things like that for the month. So that's it. If I flip to the back, I have a miscellaneous section, a picture of me and my bubs. And then I have a recipe insert. I think this was in a sub box from Cloth and Paper. I haven't used it. I'm not one for really writing down recipes and all of that, but if I were to, I can, it's here. And then I've just got some other random bits and pieces in that section. This top loading pocket, which for some reason has absorbed the line from here, so I put this here to kind of stop it, but it's already a little bit too late, I don't know. But I've got some stickers in here, I'll show you. So I've just got this from the planner spot and this from Cloth and Paper. To be honest with you, I forget that they're in there. 9 times out of 10 I don't pull for anything in this pocket. Just a page lifter here. And this section here is just empty. And as you can see, there's nothing in here. Or in fact, yeah, just the card. So guys, that is it. I don't use the pen loop. It gets in the way. I'm really contemplating cutting it off, but I know that's a bad idea, so I just won't. But that's my planner. That is my updated flip of my A5 Damier Ebene planner. Loves it. Honestly, I'm so glad I got it. And I hope you found this interesting. I hope you found some inspo or maybe seen some items from shops you haven't heard of before. Go check them all out. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Thank you. Bye.